Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make soup restaurant-style, easy method. Start by sweating onions and garlic in butter until soft, then toast any rice or aromatics for extra depth. Deglaze with a splash of wine or vinegar, add warm stock, and simmer gently to meld flavors while skimming impurities. Finish with cream or butter for silkiness, adjust seasoning carefully, and rest before serving for best. A great soup starts with great ingredients, so use flavorful stock and fresh aromatics. Keep proteins and vegetables matched by cook time to avoid mushy or underdone bits, and consider a mirepoix base for reliable depth. Add a small acid at the end to brighten the whole pot, and finish with fat like butter or cream for a silky mouthfeel. Taste and season gradually to keep balance. Texture separates home soup from restaurant soup, so simmer gently and skim often to keep clarity. Puree part or all of the soup if you want silkier texture, or strain through a fine sieve for crystal clear broth. Emulsify butter or cream into the hot soup off the heat for a glossy finish, and add fresh herbs or citrus zest at the end for a lively contrast to the rich base.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.